U.S. President Donald Trump's constant threats to make Canada the 51st state of the United States of America have an unintended consequence. If U.S. President Donald Trump fails in his stated goal of annexing Canada through economic force, what would happen if he ordered the world's most powerful military to invade? The impact of U.S. policies already affecting many sectors. OAG data shows an alarming decrease in the number of advance flight ticket bookings from Canada to the U.S. According to the latest data, advance flight bookings between Canada and the United States have fallen by as much as 75% in the next few months. The aviation analytics company OAG recently published data on forward flight bookings from Canada to the U.S. While many analysts anticipated a fall in bookings, the sheer volume of decline has shocked everyone. According to the data, the number of tickets booked for the next 6 months is down anywhere from 71 to 75% compared to the same period last year. When you look at the power imbalance between the US and Canada, an invasion would immediately result in the defeat of the Canadian Armed Forces. The Canadian Armed Forces are a professional volunteer force that consists of approximately 68,000 active personnel and 27,000 reserve personnel, with a subcomponent of approximately 5,000 Canadian Rangers. While there are no American bases in Canada today, 156 active duty members of the U.S. military are deployed in the country, according to the latest data from the Pentagon's Defense Manpower Data Center. Nearly 50 of them are members of the U.S. Air Force who serve alongside Canadians at bases in North Bay and Winnipeg as part of NORAD. Short for North American Aerospace Defense Command, NORAD is a binational defense group responsible for protecting Canada and the U.S. from incoming attacks. Other American military members in Canada occupy a wide range of roles, including serving as defense attachés at the U.S. Embassy in Ottawa, studying at military colleges, and coordinating with Canadian troops and offices across the country. American military personnel in Canada include 69 members of the U.S. Air Force, 36 from the Navy, 29 from the Army, 15 from the Marine Corps, 4 from the Coast Guard and 3 from Space Force. Canada previously hosted U.S. military installations during World War II and the Cold War. Historically, American and Canadian disputes started way back in 18th century when American military failures starts in 1775, when U.S. troops invaded Quebec, where they distributed pamphlets, translated into French, awkwardly declaring, "You have been conquered into liberty." The campaign ended in disastrous defeat for the American Continental Army in December 1775. During the War of 1812, former U.S. President Thomas Jefferson said conquering Canada was a mere matter of marching. This perception proved incorrect. The United States launched 8 or 9 invasions of Canada during the War of 1812, winning only one fruitless battle. The rest of the time, it got walloped. Canada, a country with 40 million people who really don't want to be Americans, but tactical pressure is on, not only on Canadian government but also on Canadian people. If this invasion happened, this have very grave consequences on USA, and future strategic landscape can affect more to American rather than Canada.